Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you just a quick updates for Ordi USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first videos about Ordi, and I mark around here, I guess, it's not a time to buy, you know, guys. It was just a logical. Of course, I totally understand the $100, it's drive the community and drive the investors to buy more because round numbers always attractive. You know, but it's a trap. It's always trap. And we stop it at 96.50. You know, we stop it first of all in January for 77.63. After that, sweep it, you know, 96.50 and dump it. Dump it to, now we trade around $10. $10.10. The indication accumulation pump model, guys, still not invalidated. It's a Gate.io chart since May 2023. Right, and we stop it based on that model at 61 level FIP, $7.97. So this is how it works, guys. Now this is a zone of interest. This is still zone of interest now for Ordi. 985, 797. Next step is 530 for 13. This one, invalidation of this idea, it's $1.90. I don't think so. We will invalidate the idea. I wish to see once again $8, for example, to grab again liquidity, maybe even drop to the $5.30. It will be the perfect scenario for Ordi. Why perfect scenario? Because after that we can make a reversal move, V-shape recover. So technically, you can go and double check that video just in educational purpose to understand the logic here. We landed to the monthly favorable gap. So this one, yes. And full fill of this gap is $5.88. So around the next zone of interest. It's not necessary, so we should drop to the full fill. No, basically this correction is more than enough, you know, for correction. Next step is bullish gap. It's 23.26, 17.6, and here's all gaps closed. This is going to be just liquidity pools. So I don't think so, you know, we will never recover back. Yes, I think all alts will bounce just when BTC dominance will go under, I don't know, 55% at least. Now we trade over than 61. So the liquidity now concentrated inside a BTC. So yes, the best case scenario is something like this one and go higher. How high we will pump, it's hard to say. Maybe 96.50, it was the end of cycle for this token. We can't know. Even if we, you know, bounce, for example, to this high sweep 52.46 and this high 65.67 is going to be the good gains. Yes, guys, definitely the good gains, because take a look, it can be like, yeah, 747%. Guys, this run, it's this cycle, I mean, totally different than others. All cycles are different, right? But this one is train us with focus on the profit, you know, and I always repeat, withdraw initial deposits, because the people live with just behavior of previous cycles, so we should go to the moon. Up only, guys. It doesn't work like this one. Now the market makers just trade assets to generate a profit at the end in USD, and maybe inflow the money into BTC. So nobody care about alts now, and nobody wanna pump the bags of retails to the moon just because it's crypto. No, it doesn't work like this one now. That's why be careful and all the time fix a profit. So 3 weeks in a row we pump it. And I wish to see the full fill, of course. So be ready, guys, to see potential drop like 43%. Just because we can. Just because we can. Technically, monthly gap done. So yeah, we can recover move. Now, why I leave this game on this one? Liquidity pools, because anyway, guys, over than this liquidity pools, someone main liquidity, someone main stop losses, so it will be just logical to go higher. And around this block between the 52.66, we will talk about or continuation, depends of what indicator will show us, depends of timing, where we trade that time. And depends of what whales will do that time. Technically, there is no the warranty, nothing. So main accumulation was here in August 23 at $3.30. Now we stop it at $7.70. So basically, it was not a crazy accumulation, you know. So this is just a middle range. So it's not a distribution, not accumulation. So technically, yes, we can drop again. And after that, maybe we'll test the accumulation block now. Now, by seasonality, guys, I'm more bullish than bearish for April, May. Yes, I wish to see that drop. But after that, it's a faster recover move, you know, something like this one. Grab and go higher. To this liquidity pool. In this area, everybody starts screaming, no, 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 it's a trap. And we go higher. So this is a case what I would like to see. Direction, no data to buy now. So we lay down at the bottom. So this is not a time to sell. But we lay down at the bottom. Market mode, guys. Total disbelief, total capitulation since the beginning of December. It's a good one. So take a look. That time period I share with you, we need to out of Ordi. But people scream we're going to 100 to 200 to 300 and all of this random stuff. Apria, now it's capitulation. Totally different market. This is a way, guys, how you can use it. This indicator set. Money power. Take a look. Money outflow. 2 RSI bearish and MACD bearish divergence. Here's a money inflow. Bounce, money outflow, money inflow. So 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row we get a money inflow. So let's say $12, $9.75, and 10. So average entry can be like $11. From $11, I guess we can pump to 22, and you need withdrawal initial deposit. You know, if you accumulate it at 11. But of course, much better will be something like this, and go higher. So this is a case about money power. Take a look. Trade on. Buy, sell, sell, sell. Buy back. No signal to. No signal. Take profit. Take profit from sell. Let's add alert. Trade on. Take profit from sell on the weekly time frame. It's going to be the bullish signal for us. The last indicator, guys, take profit. We trade way under fundamental value. It's good. It's good time to buy, guys. Every single time when we trade under fundamental value, the whales, they build a liquidity, right? And after that, grab off all of this liquidity pool and pump to first target will be 44 take profit line and 49.73. This is zones where, and most likely with a weak candle, we grab this one pool. So this is the next step from these current prices. If you believe in recover move from this current prices is 330%, 100% withdrawal initial deposit. I wish to see, of course, the drop because I don't like this type of order flow, right? So I wish to see the test of 891, and on 12 time frame, I wish to see the test of 725 and 550. So this is what I wish to see, and only after that, something like this one, and go higher. April, May. So guys, all targets I showed you. Right, please in the comment what you think about Ordi. In education purpose, I highly recommend you go and check the main video about Ordi. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.